Hi guys, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll explain everything you need to know about the JEE Main 2026 Session 2 registration, like who should apply, important dates, and what you should keep in mind before filling the form. And stay till the end because after this introduction, I'll guide you step by step through the actual form filling process. Okay, let's first try to understand why session 2 is important. So JEE Main is conducted in two sessions, and session 2 gives you a second opportunity either to appear if you miss session 1 or to improve your score if you already attempted the January exam. Now let's quickly talk about the important dates. Session 2 registration is expected to begin in the last week of January or the first week of February. So the exam will likely be conducted from 2nd April to 9th of April 2026, and the results are expected to be out by around 20th April. So make sure you regularly check the official NTA website because dates and notices are updated there first. So who should apply for session 2? If you miss session 1, you can apply for a fresh registration. If you want score improvement, you can register again. There is no penalty for that. You must meet NTA eligibility criteria like age and qualification. And yes, even if you appeared in session 1, session 2 will require a separate application. So now I'll guide you on how to register for fresh candidates. तो ये वेबसाइट है jemain.nta.nic.in। इस पे आपको आ जाना है। उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे यू कैन सी ऑप्शंस, स्टेप्स टू अप्लाई ऑनलाइन। यहाँ पे यू कैन क्लिक ऑन डाउनलोड इन्फॉर्मेशन बुलेटिन। इस पे आप क्लिक करोगे तो यू विल गेट अ पीडीएफ having detailed instruction about everything like what to fill, what to consider, what to not consider. उसके बाद यहाँ पे you have two options. First is new registration, then there's an option for already registered candidates to log in. तो हम पहली बार रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं तो विल क्लिक ऑन न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन। देन उसके बाद यू हैव ऑल द ऑप्शंस लाइक वही अगेन इंफॉर्मेशन बुलेटिन एंड एग्जाम सिटीज के लिए। देन यू हैव अ डिटेल्ड फी चार्ट फॉर ऑल द कैटेगरीज। Then you can read all these things. Then after scrolling down, click here to proceed. Then यहाँ पे you need to fill your basic details like name, then father's name, then आपका एड्रेस, just fill that. Then आपका email address, please make sure to enter correct email address and mobile number as they will be used for further communication. Then you need to enter your present address. Here in this case, it is same as permanent and present address are same. Then you need to create a password. उसके बाद you can see that you have to review the complete registration you have done until now. एक बार आपने ये क्लिक कर दिया then this will not be editable. उसके बाद just click on I agree and submit and send OTP. वो एंटर करने के बाद just click on submit registration form. ठीक है, तो you can see that there are three steps: registration form, fee payment, and then application form view. तो registration form is completed. Then let's continue to application form. So ये सारी details है which you need to fill in. So let's start with personal details. ये personal details में जो basic आपने fill किया है they're already there. Again. Now it's asking about your disability status. So if you belong to PWD category, you need to check on yes, else no. Now the next section is identity details. So for now I will click on PAN card number and click on submit and next. Now you need to select the exams for which you want to apply. So as you might be aware that there are three types of exams. Paper 1 is for BE and BTech. Then we have paper 2A for BR, that is B architecture. And then we have paper 2B for B planning. तो आपको जिसमें भी apply करना है you need to check that. So for now I'm applying on paper 1 BE or BTech. Then it's asking for applying for session 1. Then you need to select the question paper medium. So for now I'll click on English. Then we have the exam city choices. Then you need to enter your qualification details that are your class 10th and 12th details. यहाँ पे you need to enter your school name and pin code. Then same details you need to fill in for class 12th as well. Fill in the captcha again. Okay, now it's asking for some additional details. It's asking, are you twin and both applying for JEE Main? So we'll select no. And then you need to have a photograph clicked using your live camera. Then in this case also you need to upload your photograph signature, your class 10th mark sheet and your identity proof. So I've uploaded all the required documents. You can also click here to view your uploaded documents and re-verify if you uploaded them correctly or not. Then after that you need to enter the captcha again. Now we have to review all these things which are mentioned here. Now after reviewing each and every details, just check each of them and click on I agree and then final submission of application. And we need to proceed to pay the application fee. So for now it's 1000 rupees. You click on online payment, then proceed for payment. Then these are the four payment providers. Let's select SBI. So it'll be redirected to this portal. You need to select your preferred payment method. In this case, I'll use debit card. And I click on confirm. Now I'll enter my personal details. Okay, so now the payment is completed and registration is complete. So this was a detailed video on step-by-step application form filling for JEE Main 2026 session 1. I hope you liked it and it will be beneficial for you. Thanks a lot.